What are the most important things that you have learned about resilience that you can share with us?
I'll start by saying that building resilience is important. It's not optional if you want to have a long, successful, and fulfilling life. It's not. We are all going to get knocked down. We're going to have health struggles, whether it's physical health or mental health. We'll lose a friend. We'll lose a family member. These things are going to happen. We may go through another pandemic. It's possible. I intend to live many, many years, and it's absolutely possible we may see conflict in ways that are far more personal than what happened in Iraq and what happened in Afghanistan. You know, you and I, we sat on the sidelines for that. But, you know, I don't think the people of Ukraine really were anticipating 10 years ago. I don't think they were anticipating what's happened to their country. And so conflict is possible. Regardless, we are going to have to exercise resilience. I'm certain about that. And so that's the first thing, is that it's not optional. If we're going to have this successful, fulfilling, and long life, we have to develop resilience. The second thing is, we talked about season 9 of 12 Geniuses. I talked to 12 people about their resilience stories. Remarkable people. A Navy SEAL, a woman who ran across every state in the country. Thanksgiving of last year, she ran across first the Golden Gate Bridge. She ran a marathon, 26.2 miles across the Golden Gate Bridge. She started, just shortly after midnight on Thanksgiving. She flew across the country that day. She did the same thing across the Brooklyn Bridge. So this is and she's a grandma. She's in her 60s. Just absolutely mind-blowing things. I talked to all these people about resilience, and there are different models. There are different things that you need to establish if you're going to be a resilient person. And I'll just share a model. This is from the United States Army Master Resilience Training. There's 6 factors. You need to be self-aware. You need to be able to self-regulate. You need to have a sense of optimism, mental agility, strength of character, and connection. Notice I didn't say faith, but I think many, many people will say that their faith helps them get through the most difficult times. So while those 6 components doesn't include faith, I think you could probably put that in strength of character. For me, what helped me get through my surgeries and the discomfort that I was feeling over the course of 5 years, my purpose, the connections I had with friends and family, and a sense of optimism. A sense of optimism not only for the world, but for myself. I did feel at the end of the day that I could get through this and that I was going to come out better on the other side. So I would say those are some of the really, really important lessons that I've learned about resilience. And also, I will state that as leaders, and most of the people who are listening to this are leaders in some fashion, we need to help our people build resilience, because change comes, it comes quickly. And the more resilient our people can be, whether it's family members, community members, or members of our team at work, the better off they're going to be.